Finding the courage to change. Discovering safe touch. My mother told me a story once about me not liking touch as a tiny tot. She said that I'd been sick and spent some time in the hospital. When I came home, I didn't want anyone to touch me or hug me. Years later, when I tried to revisit this story, my mother didn't remember it. So purely by chance, I experienced a pre-verbal episode of abandonment. I think this caused me to be very physically reserved. My mother recognized that something was wrong. She began a campaign of hugging and touching me, even when I resisted. I remember her telling me, "I like holding your hand." Even so, my family was pretty reserved. We didn't hug or touch very often. Families who met like long-lost friends with hugs and kisses seemed so foreign to me. Years later, I had a short career as a massage therapist. I studied massage so that I could work with horses. But during the course, I discovered that I was really good at massage. When the environment felt safe, I loved giving and receiving touch. This experience changed me so much. I went from avoiding touch to seeking it. A move and children took me away from massage as a career. Today, I can see that I got exactly what I needed, the experience of safe touch. Fortunately, I've married into a loving family where we all hug. Gradually, I've become used to giving and receiving hugs. I've learned how to offer a hug, but not feel upset if the other person isn't ready for one. It takes time to develop the trust to welcome touch from another. There's no rush.